Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over deals that you can do at CVS good through December 12th. If you want to see what awesome deals CVS has given us this week, just keep watching. Okay, we're going to jump right into it. This first deal is going to be a great stocking stuffer for a man in your life. It is the Gillette Styler. They're regular $27.99, but they're on sale this week for $9.99. Plus, you buy one, you get a $4 extra care buck. I actually did this deal. The store closest to me did not have them in stock, so I had to drive to a store that was like 3 miles away, but it was well worth it. This is a great item. So this one's super easy, no coupons needed, a newbie friendly deal. You're going to pick up one for $9.99. You're going to pay that out of pocket. You're going to get back a $4 extra care buck, making the final cost for this just $5.99, which for this thing is an amazing price because it is super cool. Next is a 28-ounce Tresemme shampoo and conditioners. They are on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. They are also buy two, get a $2 extra care buck. So naturally, we're going to pick up two of them. I'm going to get a shampoo and a conditioner. The first one's going to be $4.99. The second one's going to be 50% off, so it'll be $2.49. The total will be $7.48. You can use a 5 off 2 Tresemme hair paper coupon from the 12.6 Retail Me Not. After that coupon, you're going to pay $2.48 out of pocket. Then you're going to get back a $2 extra care buck, making your final cost for both just 48 cents or 24 cents each. And don't forget to scan your receipt to fetch rewards because Tresemme is a participating brand of Fetch Rewards. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is Ibotta. If you download Ibotta, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. Ibotta has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from Ibotta, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code RWOENVT. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. This next deal is another must-do. It's the Nivea Men's Body Wash, the 16.9 ounce. They're on sale for $5.99. They're also on a promotion of buy two, get a $5 extra care buck. So of course, we're going to pick up 2 of them for $5.99 each. That's a total of $11.98. We're going to use a $1 off one Nivea men's printable coupon from NiveaUSA.com. Then we're going to use a $2 off one Nivea serum body wash digital coupon in the CVS app. I scanned it with several of the Nivea men's, and it's attaching to all of them that I scanned. Then we're going to use a 2 off 8 body wash CRT. So after all those coupons, we're going to pay $6.98 out of pocket. We're going to get back a $5 extra care buck, making our final cost $1.98 for both, or just 99 cents each. I purchased the ones I showed you in the picture, the new 3-in-1 Nivea Men's, and all my coupons came off just fine. And this next deal, Lord forgive me if my daughter sees this video, she's going to kill me for even saying this, but she's fixing to have a baby, so I did this deal because I thought it would be good after she has the baby. I think she'll thank me later, but here's the deal. They're on sale 2 for $10. So for this deal, we're going to pick up 3 of the Silhouette 4-count boxes. We're going to pay $10 for 2 of them, and then $5.99 for the third one. Our total will come to $15.99. We're going to use 2 $2 off 1 Depend product printable coupons from coupons.com. We're also going to use a 2 off 1 Depend product digital coupon from the CVS app. And then we're going to use a 4 off 12 adult care CRT. So after all those coupons come off, we're going to pay $5.99 out of pocket. There's no extra care bucks for this one, but it makes the final cost for all 3 just $5.99 or $1.99 each. Okay, as with every week, we're going to have some free toothpaste. This Crest Tartar Control toothpaste is $2.99. If you buy 3, you get a $5 extra care buck. So of course, we're going to pick up 3 of them at $2.99 each. Our total will be $8.97. We're going to use a $5 off 3 Crest Toothpaste digital coupon located in the CVS app. So we're going to pay $3.97 out of pocket, but then we're going to get back a $5 extra care buck, making our final cost free plus $1.03 moneymaker. Okay guys, those are the main deals I have for you this week. As I'm closing out this video, I'm going to show a few more deals on screen that you could go ahead and do. Check your account, see if you have any CRTs that go with them, and also digital coupons. If you are just starting at CVS, you got to get out there and get your feet wet, do a small deal. Like you could start with the Gillette Styler deal, something to get your CRTs rolling in. If you are just starting out at CVS, my suggestion is when you go in the store, scan your card one time, don't scan it over and over, print all your CRTs. And the only reason I suggest scanning it one time is because they offer mystery coupons that only print at the red box, so that's why I say scan it once a week and that's it. Then when you're in-store shopping, open up your CVS app, click on Deals and Rewards. Up on the top right corner, you'll see a little barcode. Click that and scan the items and it'll show you what coupons and CRTs attached to that item. And for my newbies, in case you didn't notice, the CRTs are only good for 1 week, but if you go Saturday onto your CVS app and you send all your CRTs that are expiring that night to your card, it'll actually extend them a whole nother week. So wait till the evening before they expire before you send them to your card. That way you get 2 weeks use out of them instead of just 1 week. So quick recap of everything there for my newbies. Make sure you scan your card one time a week at the red box in order to get your mystery coupons. Plus it's a lot less papers you have to deal with. Use CVS.com or your app in store to see what coupons attached to an item. And on Saturday evening, send all your expiring CRTs to card to extend the expiration date for a week. And typically it takes about 2 weeks for CRTs to start showing up on your account. So if you're just starting CVS, go in store, do one deal just so they know you're shopping each week until your CRTs start showing up, because those CRTs are an essential part of couponing at CVS. So I hope these tips were helpful. If you're not yet subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn your notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Also, if you haven't given this video a big thumbs up yet, please do so. It really helps out my channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. Any CVS questions at all, let me know down below. I'll try to get back to everybody. Oh, and one question I get asked quite a bit is, can I pay with extra care bucks and still get extra care bucks back? The answer is simple. Yes, yes, yes. This is not Walgreens. So yes, absolutely pay with your extra care bucks anytime you can. Extra care bucks are basically cash at CVS, so you can use them anytime you want and still earn more extra care bucks back. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here. Don't forget to leave any questions you have in the comment section down below. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.